Hello, Refashionista Sheri here, and I had not been to the thrift store in a very long time because thrift stores cost money, even if it is relatively cheap, and I didn't have any, but I managed to come up with a little bit of money, and so I went to the thrift store this morning, so let's see what I got. First is this absolutely, it is just so beautiful, this totally amazingly handmade vintage dress. Look at the sleeves. Look at those sleeves. I mean, clearly this is going to be refashioned. It is super duper maxi, so I have loads of fabric to work with. And yeah, for all of these things, if you have any idea of what you think I should refashion them into, please do let me know. Okay, cool. Next up. Look at this. I mean, absolutely amazing 1980s acid washed dress. And the shoulder pads are so big in here. Look at that. They are, sincerely, they're like bigger than my hands. That's crazy. But the best part about this is, see, the label. Did anybody else absolutely covet fancy ass in the 80s? I was desperate for a pair of fancy ass jeans, a dress, whatever, but I was never allowed to have it. But you know, look, I have it now. Yeah! Beautiful. Another absolutely stunningly gorgeous vintage maxi dress, and this one has a very, very cool tag. It is clearly an original, you know, from Hawaii in the 1960s or 70s. It is just gorgeous, but there's no way I'm getting my chest in here, so it is absolutely going to get an upsize, and I'm not really sure exactly what I'm going to do. Again, it's so much fabric. It like trails on the floor when I wear it. It is so long, which is fantastic because that's loads of fabric to use to upsize it. I don't know about your thrift stores, but in my little local thrift store, they have a fabric section. Look at this. Look at this huge piece of fabric. It is, I mean, it's definitely a polyester blend, but how absolutely 90s print can you get? This is amazing. And there's actually enough here that I could, in fact, make a maxi dress for myself out of it if I wanted to, but I'm not sure. Do I want to make trousers, a shirt, a dress? You tell me. Or a jacket? Let me know. Let me know. What should I make out of this absolutely gorgeous fabric? And last, but certainly not least, is this kind of weird little jumpsuit. I guess it would be like a flight suit, but the fabric is super soft. It's just weird though. Like it's like got fake pockets here and this weird, you know, patch on here. And this is not a this is not a drawstring. It doesn't draw anything. It's just like stitched on there. So like, what is the point? Oh, there's also, there are real pockets, which is good. This is a real pocket. I don't know if the ones down here are real. Oh, it is. That's a real pocket. That's great. But it has this weird claspy thing on it. And the other pocket here has this 23 fashion label on it. Which, no, thank you. But I got this because I love jumpsuits. And it is so close to the actual pink color that I use for all of my Confessions of a Refashionista branding. So that is just perfect. And yeah, we're going to do just, you know, a little bit of embellishing and then re-embellishing on this groovy jumpsuit. So let me know for sure what you think I should do with all of these things. As I said, I already know what I'm doing with the jumpsuit, but for the rest, let me know. I mean, I don't know if I'm going to do anything with the lovely fancy ass denim dress, but you never know. You guys might come up with a really clever idea. So please do. Give me some ideas. What should I do?
This is Confessions of a Refashionista.